Immigrants are the best, man. My father called me the other day. He calls me with the most useless shit ever. Now, he watches TV. He'll understand 15% make up the other 85. So he calls me the other day. He goes, yeah, it's your father. I know. What's up? They always introduce themselves. So I said, what's up? He goes, let me ask you something. Maybe I'm wrong. But you know that girl, the Puerto Rican girl, she's singing, she dances, she's on the movie. What's her name, Jello? I said, J-Lo? He goes, yeah. I said, yeah, what about her? The guy she just to break up with, he owned the insurance company with the duck. What? I said, no. No, Ben Affleck does not own Affleck. And he goes, okay, I was just to making sure. Why? Why?